you're unfamiliar with allyship, it is a continuous process of using your privilege and power to learn about marginalized people and empathizing with their experiences. The goal of allyship is to ultimately take on problems of oppression and violence as if they were your own, without removing yourself from the conversation. This is a human race problem. We need collective outrage and action. I am always confused on why it's solely Black people who are the loudest and most enraged when another Black man or Black woman dies unjustly. Your silence is an act of privilege. Not having to fight is a privilege. Not having to care is a privilege. And I understand we cannot control the privilege we are born with, but we have a responsibility to each other to use our privileges of race or gender to stand up for others when their race or gender is a barrier.
But I am very worried, she said, about the state of the civilization which produced that photograph of the white cop standing on that Negro woman's neck in Birmingham.
Black lives, they matter here! 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 Black lives, they matter here!
My brothers, my sisters, my family, my Toronto community, radical love, empathy, and action is needed right now. And I'm asking you to join me. Pull the fuck up.